On September 30, 1966, a new flag was raised over the newly independent nation of Botswana, replacing the British Union Jack that had flown over the Bechuanaland Protectorate. This was more than a ceremonial changing of cloths, it was the unfurling of a national identity, a visual declaration of sovereignty, and a symbolic roadmap for the nation's future. The flag of Botswana is a masterclass in modern vexillological design, embodying simplicity, profound symbolism, and a distinct national character. Its creation was a deliberate act of nation-building, carefully conceived to reflect the country's unique environmental realities, its commitment to racial harmony, and its aspirations for a peaceful, prosperous future. This analysis explores the origins, design, and rich symbolism of Botswana's national flag, arguing that its simple yet powerful design is a direct reflection of the nation's core values and guiding principles. Unlike many other African nations gaining independence during the same era, Botswana consciously eschewed the Pan-African colors of red, green, and yellow. This was a deliberate choice, signaling a unique path. The design was intended to be a stark contrast to the flag of its then apartheid neighbor, South Africa, where the South African flag represented division. Botswana's was designed to be a beacon of unity and racial harmony. The flag was the creation of George Winstanley, a civil servant who, after finding the entries in a public competition unsatisfactory, took it upon himself to design a symbol that was both easy to reproduce and deeply meaningful. The result was a design of elegant simplicity, a light blue field divided horizontally by a black stripe, which is in turn separated from the blue by thin white fimbriations. This clean, uncluttered design adheres to the core principles of good vexillology, a simple design that a child could draw from memory. The use of meaningful symbolism, a limited and contrasting color palette, and a distinctive appearance. Each element of the Botswana flag is imbued with a significance that resonates deeply with the nation's geography, culture, and ethos. The flag can be read as a visual narrative of the nation's identity. The most prominent color on the flag is the expansive light blue that forms the top and bottom bands. This blue represents water, specifically rain, a precious and often scarce resource in a country dominated by the Kalahari Desert. The significance of water is encapsulated in the national motto, Pula, which is the Setswana word for rain. Pula is more than just a meteorological term, it is a greeting, a cheer, and a blessing, signifying life, prosperity, and good fortune. By making blue the dominant color of its flag, Botswana enshrined its dependence on and reverence for water as a cornerstone of its national identity. The light, azure shade evokes the vast African sky, from which this life-giving rain descends. The central black stripe, bordered by two thinner white stripes, lies at the heart of the flag's symbolism. This element carries a dual meaning, reflecting both a commitment to the nation's human diversity and an homage to its natural heritage. Primarily, the black and white stripes represent the harmony and cooperation between the people of different races living in Botswana, at a time when racial segregation was brutally enforced in neighboring South Africa. Botswana's flag made a bold and unequivocal statement about its commitment to a multiracial, pluralistic society. The white stripes, fimbriations, are crucial not only for design, separating the black and blue to adhere to the heraldic rule of tincture, but also to symbolize peace and purity. Secondly, these stripes are a direct reference to the stripes of the zebra, Botswana's national animal. The zebra, an animal known for its striking black and white coat, is a symbol of the nation's rich and diverse wildlife, a key component of its natural heritage and a significant contributor to its economy through tourism. The two zebras that support the national coat of arms further underscore this connection. The specific ratio of the stripes, 9:1, 4, 1:9, is a testament to the careful thought invested in the flag's design. The broad fields of blue emphasize the overwhelming importance of water, while the central black stripe, though thinner, is given prominence by its central position and the sharp contrast provided by the white borders. This creates a visually balanced and harmonious composition. mirroring the societal harmony the flag is meant to represent. The national flag of Botswana is far more than just a piece of colored cloth. It is a carefully crafted emblem that encapsulates the history, environment, and aspirations of its people. Born at the moment of the nation's independence, its design was a forward-looking statement of intent to build a nation on the principles of peace, unity, and respect for both its diverse population and its natural environment. In its elegant simplicity, the flag serves as a constant reminder of the preciousness of water in an arid land, the foundational importance of racial harmony, and the beauty of the nation's natural heritage. It is a symbol that has successfully avoided partisan political associations, allowing it to be embraced by all Botswana as a true and enduring representation of their national identity. The flag of Botswana is a powerful testament to how a thoughtfully designed national symbol can reflect and reinforce